Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And so today I'll be taking you on a walk with me, which I have started doing. I've started going on a walk since COVID season. COVID makes you things do which you never did prior, right? One of them is mask for us and other is walking. So normally we go around this time, and we sometimes get to see sunset, sometimes we don't. So let's give it a try if we get to see sunset today or not. And normally I don't shoot, so today I decided why not give it a try. So let's go. So we normally go on a walk around 6:37. This is the time when we go, so that around I live in Kentucky, so in Kentucky the sunset time is something in between 9 to 9:15. So that is the reason why we go around this time, and I hope you would like it, you will enjoy it. So first what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a round of my community, and then from back door, back entrance or back exit basically, we'll be leaving. So now we are out of our community and we'll be entering this community where we go for a walk. उधर normally हम लोग को ducks दिखते हैं. So let's see आज दिखेगा या नहीं. वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा jogging करती हूँ and that's it. उसके बाद वापस घर आती हूँ. So let's see. चलो आ जाओ. So इस community में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा individual houses मिलेंगे, and in our community you'll be able to see townhouses and rented apartments. यही ज़्यादा मिलता है. So difference between individual house and town house ये होता है कि individual house basically अपना इंडिया में जो बंगलो होता है वही सिस्टम है. टाउन हाउस बंगलो है बट देन बहुत सारे जुड़ के हैं. ऐसे ग्रासेस या अपना खुद का प्ले एरिया नहीं होता है ज़्यादा. दैट इज कॉल्ड टाउन हाउस एंड दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. सो ये कम्युनिटी जिसमें हम लोग जा रहे हैं, हम एज आई टोल्ड यू कि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा इंडिविजुअल हाउसेस दिखाई देते हैं. एंड yeah, this one is my favorite, जो entrance में ही होता है. ये castle जैसा दिखता है, right? Yes, but I really like it. And but ये घर है, इसका घर है पता नहीं. I'm not sure whether I can shoot it or not. But yeah, बहुत अच्छा घर है. So now we have done jogging, walking हो चुका है. अभी आगे जाने के बाद I can see, आगे जाने के बाद नहीं, आगे चलते चलते I can see a fountain which is beautiful. उसके बाद फोटोग्राफी करेंगे and then उसके बाद घर जाएंगे. That's it. So yeah, मैं अभी फाउंटेन दिखाती हूँ आप लोग को. by any chance, if you guys are wondering who that person is, that is my friend. He's helping me currently even with editing and videography मुझे सिखा रहा है. So yes, and at the end obviously मेरा photo session. So people who know me knows me कि मुझे photographs click करना and Instagram में post करना बहुत पसंद है. So if you guys liked my videos, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions for me, then please let me know in the comment section below. Bye.